For lubrication of the sharpening system, we have 5 grease fittings. One located on the side of the stone holder for the threaded sleeve. 2 grease fittings on the sliding carriage. And one at the front of the adjusting lever on each side of the shear bar. We will also want to keep an eye on the chain tension to make sure it does not get too much slack in it. There is also a spring-loaded bearing at the top of the carriage. You want to adjust those spring dimensions so that you maintain 0.9 millimeters of clearance at the bottom. There are several ways to determine when the sharpening stone needs to be readjusted. We can use the counter on the maintenance screen on the terminal. We can also take a visual look at the amount of threads showing on the threaded sleeve. If that dimension gets below 5 millimeters, we must readjust the stone. The second dimension we look at is the amount of stone sticking out below the bottom of the grinding housing. If this dimension gets below 5 millimeters, the stone must also be readjusted.